is what my hair was looking like after I took out my Empress braids. And I need to soften it up some with my DIY avocado banana aloe conditioner. I'm slapping that conditioner on just like it's a natural relaxer or something. It's melting those edges and roots so I can pull out and loosen out all that shed hair that's been sitting in there for about 3 to 4 weeks strong. I just blended the banana, avocado, and aloe with some aloe juice in a blender, and I did not strain it this time. I probably should have, but I just slapped it on there chunky and all. I just needed something to condition my hair quickly to get the shed hair out before I actually do my wash. Also, for extra conditioning, because I plan on doing a flat ironing. This conditioner is really softening my hair and allowing my finger detangling to be a breeze. It's helping me get that shed hair right out of there. As you see, this conditioner has really got my coils popping. This conditioner is very messy, and especially since I didn't strain it. It's chunky and it's making a big mess. So I think I'm going to have to take this to a more comfortable place. But you see the dye that's left still in my hair from that hair that I just took out. Look at those coils popping. So I'm outside just to rinse some of this conditioner out before I start detangling even further. I don't want this splashing all over my bathroom walls and floors, so I'm going to rinse some of the conditioner out just to allow me to be able to detangle without making such a mess in my bathroom. I have not added anything else, and my hair is soft enough and ready to detangle with my tangle teaser. And here I'm just finger detangling some of those knotted areas that lint and shed hair have knotted up in. I need to finger detangle that more before I put that tool in it. Otherwise, I can end up with breakage. I know it seems like a lot of shed hair, but this is totally normal and totally fine. The braids were in my hair for almost 1 month. So now, after this, I have to shampoo each section thoroughly and get all this chunkiness out. Then condition again with my conditioner, probably Avalon Organics or either Trader Joe's tea tree tingle, because that's all I'm really using. Coming up in another video, I will show you how my Rev air drying and flat iron process went right after this conditioning. So if you're interested, now's a good time to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you later.